Good morning. It's Justin Cluster back at it again. Getting ready to take the Chevelle out for a drive. She's become quite a good car to drive around and cruise around in. We're getting ready to do a cold start on this. I know everybody seems to really like the cold starts. Let's see how she goes today. Give her a couple pumps of gas. She's been running really good. I really like this cams that I put in it. It's a roller cam. It's a thumper, and it's nice because there's no braking. As you can see, she's still stone cold. Oil pressure's decent in this car. It drops down to about 20 pounds in an idling gear and runs about 50 running down the road. Let her come up to temperature here. I don't run any kind of choke. I have a Holley 750 double pumper on this thing, and for where I live, the weather's never that cold. As you can see right now, it's a little temperamental, but she warms up pretty quick, and then we're good to go. I'm still debating putting the big block into the car. I have a 454. She's a pretty stout motor. I'd like to put in here with a turbo 400. Right now this is a 350 with a 2-speed power glide. It's a fun combination, but it's nothing to write home about. She runs all right though. Little hesitation there. Still very cold. You can see the temperature. But she seems to be running pretty good. Let's take you outside. We went ahead and threw the MSD ignition on it, which I'll tell you right now, I've never complained. Every time I've thrown an MSD ignition on, it's been a great setup. So there's the motor all done up. Now with the air cleaner, MSD, the coil, distributor. I mean, she runs, for having a fairly wild cam in her, she runs pretty smooth. I gotta do something with that alternator bracket. She's bouncing around way too much. But yeah, we're gonna take her out for a drive. All right, talk to you guys later.